up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye.
Have you ever felt the hair on your arm stand up just 'cause she says what's up? Have you ever felt the world is yours to take? Like the world is an open road, your life a great story yet untold. Like the future is nothing but what you make. Well, I do, yes I do. You make me feel weightless, weightless. Like a satellite floating in outer space. The laws of gravity's been erased, and I'm weightless. Her eyes are like the deepest well, the sound of a sore rebel yell. Her hair in the wind is more than a heart can stand. Sometimes I wonder what she sees in me, but tell myself to let it be, and just lose myself in the warmth of her hand. So I do. You make me feel weightless, weightless. Like a satellite floating in outer space. The laws of gravity has been erased, and I'm weightless, weightless. You make me feel like the world is an open road, that my life is the greatest story told, and that the future is nothing but what you made.